What's up, konnichiwa? Welcome back to my channel, WABIKONG vlog desu. Today I will bring you to a very special country, Malaysia.
Wow! Is this really Kuala Lumpur?
Why Japanese people like living in Malaysia? 大家好，这是西北轩。今天咱们来到这个吉隆坡大城市，马来西亚最大的城市。
Oh my god! And all these luxury brands! It feels like I'm in New York!
看看我们可以吃免费的什么餐吧，走。
I didn't know Kuala Lumpur is better than New York City.
すいません。apa kabar?
Apa kabar?
Top 5 reasons why I hate living in Malaysia.
Malaysia versus Singapore.
One fun fact about this twin tower is that one side door is made in Korea and one side is made by the Japanese.
Malaysia wins.
Malaysia is a very hot country and that is why everyone here drinks coconuts.
This fruit called the lemao.
Itadakimasu. Wah. Japanese people tries to live like Malaysian. The Korea Tower is collapsing anytime soon.
The people here are very kind and friendly. Uncle, this one say too.
Dude, say angmo. I can speak English 啊！
爱了马来西亚，你去哪了呢？10块钱能在 SS 的夜市里面吃饱吗？2个人哦，走。哎，表妹你在干嘛？这个多少钱啊
25，2个25，2个25，3个就35。
6块。
Wait, I thought Malaysians still live in trees.
That's the other side.
Ah, so what I have here is what they call the rotai canai. It's also the Asian flag croissant.
This is the Malaysian national dish, nasi lemak.
I will give this an 11/10 because I love Malaysia.
Very delicious. うまいね。Malaysia is a very talented country. Many of them speak many languages, but still united. We Japanese people must learn from
你讲
them.
马来文很厉害啊！哈？哦，我们是马来西亚，你现在是 racist 啊？哈？想怎样？啊？你想怎样？啊？
サムネ撮ろうか。カット。サムネをさ、もうちょっとマレーシアの国旗を大きくしてよ。こうやって全部。わかった？てか、これクソまずくね。
Top 3 reasons why you should move to Malaysia.
You guys even have 鬼塚タイガー。すごいね、マレーシア。
Say it out.
だ。
Say it out.
せだ。
Say it out. Say it out.
哇，按摩称赞我们呢，我看了都爽啊！不像那些 local YouTuber， 没有营养。
It's juicy and it burns in your mouth.